Yeah. Hit him with the jab, uppercut. Hit him with the jab, uppercut. Yeah. I'm so loco, I don't give a fuck with the so-so. I don't give a fuck. What up, so-so? Yo, what up, so-so? I don't give a fuck. Move enough, fucking. Yeah. Hey, I'ma get it back. Okay. I don't give a fuck what the fuck's up with Oleo. I fucking DeMayo. I don't give a fuck, I fucking decline. All that fucking bullshit, don't bring it my way. That shit is bullshit. Fuck full clips. You can get fucked with like full clips. Goddamn, this ain't no clip shit, but I got braids. Take it back to the waves. Like back in the days when I had a fade and a high top wave. Curly way back. I don't give a fuck, nigga, move you way back. Yo, bitch, bounce it. Yeah, quarter ounces. If you could blow with me, then you draw with me, then you high with me, then you haze with me. Half a zip, then you come up. Oh shit, cushion, then you bundling. I don't give a fuck. Let me see what you bundling with. I don't give a fuck. Spend them funds with. Fuck one shit. I'm spreading fives and better, getting that cheddar. Best believe, cause I go back to the Knicks stack. Raven wings. Straight like that. Straight like that. Straight like that. Real nigga shit, what? I don't give a fuck, slut, bounce that butt. I don't give a fuck, wiggle it, jiggle it, what? Shake it, don't break it. I don't give a fuck long as you make it. Take it. Take it, feed you. I don't mistreat you. I need these funds, so I need it right back. Pronto, hun. Best believe, real nigga shit. Best believe. I don't underachieve, I just achieve it. I don't give a fuck, real nigga shit. Feel this.